I get somebody here, Otu Njama. Otu, how you did this morning?
Yo.
I greet you. I greet you. And then we dey talk about Prince Nico Mbarga. The great things then with this man don't do. And then at least if to say now we drop this jam, waiting the guy for the make on top Spotify and all of them. The guy for clean out. The guy for the clean out. But then waiting the whole thing there about waiting the where you want to take we want to take remember this man, we want to take waiting be the whole idea of this soul an evening with Prince Nico Mbarga.
Okay, make I just drop small background to the whole project. The project name na Sweet Mother Project.
Oh, Sweet Mother.
Sweet Mother Project, yes.
Okay.
The whole idea is to celebrate the man will give us Africa's highest selling record ever, which be Sweet Mother.
Yeah.
I be filmmaker. I be want do one. I be want start one film project. So I can't do one that say which kind of film I go do now. You get one WhatsApp group where I get. The group.
Yeah. Filmic.
Yeah, filmic. So say at some point they always talk about make we tell epic stories about history. Yeah. Africa get plenty historic stories. We make sense. So I come to think of it though. Me, I from Cross River State, and I get one man, this Prince Nico, we from Cross River. We don't die many years ago. Yet in songs still they make with. That story go there interesting. So I can't do research about the story. I can't do research about the man. From Google, from here, from there. I say, I know this story makes sense. I need to work on this story. So we can't go meet in family, can't discuss the offer. But basically do all the groundwork and agreement and everything. So the idea be just to do film about the guy. But the more I did research about the guy, the more I find out say the guy was something else. So in essence, he died in he released the song 1976.
Yes.
Which is 46 years ago.
Yeah.
Right. But sadly, he died in 1997.
He died in 97.
Yeah.
Yes. For Calabar too.
Yes.
He died for Calabar.
Yeah.
Yes.
27th of June. So last month was 25th posthumous anniversary.
Yes.
So the whole idea of the project is to celebrate the man who gave us Africa's biggest song, Sweet Mother, to remember him for his good works. Every year, just like you talk, your mama birthday, your wife birthday, they go sing Sweet Mother.
Yeah.
Mother's Day, women's events, and the official song be that. However, not so many people still remember the person who sing the song. So people know the song Sweet Mother, but they don't know the original. The person who sing the original one. Of course, it's because there are lots of covers. The song is actually one of the most covered songs on the internet. Several covers, different languages, but very few people know
who sing
the original one. So the whole idea of the Sweet Mother Project now to remember the guy, celebrate the guy. Our plan, I say, by next year, would institute what we call Sweet Mother Festival. So it will be a yearly event. Every Mother's Day on a particular Mother's Day.
Mother's Day plenty.
Mother's Day plenty. So we go choose one Mother's Day and institute Sweet Mother Festival officially. So the event, an evening with Nico Mbarga, is
okay. So an evening with Nico Mbarga. I know say one of his sons they sing. One way slim, way fair.
Yeah.
One of his songs way fair.
Yeah, two actually. Two of his songs.
Oh, not two.
Yeah.
I know one way slim, way fair. We still the sing.
Nico Mbarga Jr.
Nico Mbarga Jr. Yes, I know that one. Yeah, at least I know say that one still they sing. And then get like three other ones too where they sing too.
Yeah.
No be only Nico. No be Nico Mbarga Jr.
The sister
they sing, yes.
The younger brother Phil. So here's the thing, when their papa died, their mama been there frustrated with the life the man lived, because even while he was alive, he was struggling with his record label and all of that. But let me not go into all of that detail. So when the man died in 97, the children been still very, very young. They were like 4, 7 and all. The mama said not even children go do music. Say she don't want another musician for the family.
Yeah. And he get plenty children.
Yeah, a few. So then go school finish. When they don't graduate, say, Mommy, music in my blood, we have to do music. So it wasn't until about 5 years ago where they officially begin do music.
Yeah. Oh,
because the mama no agreement and do music. Say, no, you cannot go through what your dad went through. But when music in your blood, nothing if you do now. You have to do it.
You just got to do it. But nobody, this one now, everybody they talk about only in mama side. I know saying Papa na Cameroonian.
Yeah, Cameroonian, yeah.
Okay. I know say something like that, yeah. So I know saying Papa na Cameroonian. And then but now the music part now from in mama side now, because in the Abakaliki, the Calabar, so they speak Igbo well.
Yeah, but funny enough, Nico gets music, he inherits music. I don't know, should I use the word inherit? But music run or music dey in Papa blood actually.
Okay.
In Papa been the sing.
Okay.
The elder brother said follow sing, but Nico was the prominent one amongst them.
Oh.
The father died very early. Papa died early. Before,
like him too.
Yeah.
He died early. He died for 47.
Yes, for 47, yeah.
So this an evening with it happened on the 11th or so.
Oh, yeah, on the 11th of August.
11th of August. In children too go follow come the event.
Yeah, so after Nico died, or rather when the children when they came of age, they can't decide say okay, since Popsy died, nobody don't do in kind of music. Nico style of music is called panko.
Yeah, panko.
So for like 20 years, nobody had done panko. So when the children come of age, they say, you know what, our papa band been be Rockafield Jazz. They now reinvented the band. They named their own band Rockafield Rebirth.
Okay.
So Nico Mbarga Jr. and his Rockafield Jazz band will be performing live at the event, an evening with Nico Mbarga.
This evening with Prince Nico Mbarga, where they do now. My suggestion is that they should remember his song every June 27, the day he died. All right, Chief from First Stack, we go to try to do that one. Me particularly, I go to try to do that one as long as I did radio. All right. So quickly now, the August 11th thing where you do for Prince Nico Mbarga.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, where they happen?
CCX. It's a place called CCX for VI Kofa Bayomi.
For Kofa Bayomi.
Yep.
CCX.
Yeah.
For Kofa Bayomi for Victoria Island.
Yes. So.
Which time did they start?
7 p.m.
Okay, now evening.
It's a Thursday, so now throwback based on saying old school now. Throwback. Dress code self now 70s and 80s.
Okay, now old school dress.
The interesting thing is say the best dress go win prize. There'll be a special prize for the best dress, just to encourage people to come out looking their best. 70s outfits, 70s. It's throwback Thursday.
Throwback Thursday, 9 then they do it for Prince Nico Mbarga. And then you need to come out dressed in your old school thingy.
Some of you don't invite some of our legendary musicians like people his colleagues and contemporaries
that
era. Yes, we don't invite some of them. We can't mention their names because some of them are yet to confirm. But a lot of
now invite. You invite them, they never talk, say them will come. So if you call their name, see people where we don't invite.
Okay, well,
you not talk, say then they come.
Okay, so we don't invite people like Bright Chimeze, Yeka Wenu.
Okay, fine.
Sonny Energy no being contemporary like that, but are still one of our old boss then for music. A whole lot of people have been there during the era.
Yeah.
So that they will just grace the occasion and just share words of, because I didn't know him one-on-one. They lived with him, did music with him, probably sang at some point together. So, it's just meant to take us back in time to when music been really the sweet era.
Yeah. All right, so this one no be for children, whether you like them or not. This is not for daddies them, and then the younger ones them we won't know our history when it comes musically. It is very, very important. But somebody sent me a message, you just make me remember my late father. Him get all Mbarga music. Yeah. Somebody else sent me a message here. He talks say, okay. So I just
say that song, that in the 70s, Sweet Mother been status symbol. If you go person house, see Sweet Mother record, that person will be correct person.
It
was a social status symbol. People used to contribute money to buy one. For the whole compound, go they play them.
Yeah.
Especially get turntable.
Go
put speaker outside.
Everybody.
Neighbors will contribute money, buy one record. They go play every Sunday, and it was just crazy.
But that was then. But then this particular song, whether you like him or not, this guy take and hold everybody for. Why everybody just send me message? They tell me say their papa, their mama. Everybody just send me message. They say they remember the song, they remember the record. Truly, Prince Nico. Imagine if to say now we drop this particular jam.
Person talk say if now you release this song, same for win Grammy.
Yeah.
Because it ticked all the boxes and all the requirements for Grammy. Local content, language, appeal, all of those things. He had crossover appeal.
They say crossover. This is now one of the first African but when do crossover.
He come up from Nigeria.
Yeah.
He been there UK top 10.
Yeah, UK top 10.
And then they play them across all different genres of different radio stations.
BBC then play them regularly.
It was voted Africa's favorite song by BBC in 2004.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we interviewed Awilo recently for the documentary. Awilo talk say With the first time he heard this song in 1982, and the song inspired him before he starting career. The style of the guitar, because the guitar now Congolese style.
Yes. Because in they sing that style in
he said he don't understand what they talk, but now just the sweet one and the song just sweet him. You know, so now the kind of memory what we get of the song, and the responses across board is the same. It just takes people back to their roots, nostalgic feeling, and that's what the events good day.
Okay, so that nostalgic feeling, and then they bring into this particular style where you go here. Back then, the man they perform for hotels inside Onitsha and Co. So now now honestly, even though my man are from Cross River, in Papa na Cameroonian, but they stay for Abakaliki. And then they perform for all the hotels and nightclubs Onitsha. Back then, Onitsha and all the other places. So when would they find pidgin? This guy sing for pidgin, you know.
This guy na confirm Nigerian. If not be say we go see the Abakasi to Cameroon, that kind.
Yes.
This guy na Nigerian there,
Yes.
We don't let our confirmed talents go to Cameroon.
But even then, he's still, because when we go Cameroon to go to the interview, Cameroon people they vex with us, say, no me Nico, we go remain for Nigeria.
Oh, then the yes, say go Nigeria.
He go marry. He married Cross River woman. Lived in Cross River. He come until he died. So then self the vex. Say she ain't go remain for Nigeria. Same you know person.
Child of two words, really.
But they loved him. They love him.
Definitely,
they love him.
They will.
Nostalgic feeling all across. And just like I've been reminded off air. You know, so this song, Sweet Mother. Now, one of the songs we helped to export pidgin English.
Yes.
Because it cross. It had crossover appeal. Yeah. Before then, people they sing more in good English or their native language.
Igbo, native language. Yes.
Hausa, Yoruba. But now here we do complete song for pidgin from start to finish. I know say across West Africa, pidgin our lingua franca.
Yes.
You know, so now one of the products we help export pidgin.
English,
Fela was doing his own thing. You know, but Nico had more crossover appeal at that time. That particular song. It was in the UK's top 10. It's in Brazil. I don't know how this song take cross enter Latin America.
Na the beat.
For Colombia, they're not true on the beats. For Colombia, Nico Mbarga be like semi-god or demigod.
Yeah.
Till now,
they are universal appeal.
There are calls for his children to come and perform in Colombia. They were supposed to go at some point, but COVID happened, so they just had to restructure the whole thing. We are hoping that after we do this one, the next one will be truly international. Okay. And since we do Sweet Mother Festival, we'll go first start with Nigeria. Then at some point, we'll go cross over, because Sweet Mother is a generic term. Whether you're from America or US, you still get Mama with sweets. So it's something that is universal. He do Sweet Father, but Sweet Father no sell like Sweet Mother.
Yes, he do Sweet Father. Yeah. He do for Papa too. Good Father. He do Good Father. Yes.
Sweet Mother.
He do Good Father. And him and in Rockefeller.
Person talks say he do Good Father, but even inside that Good Father, he still mention Mama. Inside that one separate. For the documentary we do, you get one woman where we meet. The woman talks say when she's like in her 60s now. She said when she young, person died for their village, so they can't do dancing competition. The song when they play na Sweet Mother, so she dance carry first. And the president give her na soap. Man, they call the brand na soap.
No soap, no day again now.
So.
I'm not sure.
So the first prize na full bar. Second prize
na the one with them cut with knife.
Third prize na cut. So the funny thing be say the woman picking they work on our project. So the day when she go to her mama say, "Mommy, you see the project about the work." She say, please call them. I dance to this song, carry win soap in the Now so we rush, we camera go interview the woman. So the stories are unimaginable. They are crazy stories like that. Hopefully the documentary will drop very soon. After the event. The event will be recorded as the final episode for the documentary. Because all through the documentary, the children talked about how they take over the Papa music. So this is the first time we go see them perform to a mainstream Lagos audience. So we are recording that for TV as well as the final episode of the documentary film. Okay, this one sent message. Say, good morning, yo. I remember this song then. My dad know they let person hear what? Every Saturday and Sunday. Well, thanks for letting me know his name. Exactly. That's the whole essence of this event. Yeah, plenty people don't even know the name.